Dear students, welcome. In the last class, we discussed about the nth differential coefficients of some particular functions. Today we shall solve some problems. Suppose number 1. Find the nth differential coefficient. Find the nth differential coefficient of log of ax plus b cx plus d. Log of ax plus b cx plus d. Let me remind you. First, let y equal to log of ax plus b cx plus d. This can be written as log of ax plus b plus log of cx plus d. This can be written as this. Now let me remind you, in the last class we told you that if u equal to log of ax plus b, I told you, then the first derivatives will be a divided by ax plus b, which can be written as ax plus b whole to the power minus 1. Whole to the power minus 1. Y2, this is equal to a square into minus 1 ax plus b whole to the power minus 2. Whole to the power minus 2. U3, the third derivatives, a cube minus 1 minus 2 ax plus b whole to the power minus 3. Whole to the power minus 3. Which can be written as a cube minus 1 whole square into factorial 2 into ax plus b whole to the power minus 3. Similarly, un can be written as a cube minus 1. U3 means minus 1 whole square. N minus 1. Factorial 2 means it will be factorial n minus 1. And you may write it as divided by ax plus b whole to the power n. This. If u equal to log of ax plus b, then un, the nth differentiation is this. It is not a cube, a to the power n. A to the power n. Therefore, here yn, the nth differentiation will be equal to a to the power n minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 divided by ax plus b whole to the power n plus, for this you will definitely get c to the power n minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 divided by cx plus d whole to the power n. Cx plus d whole to the power n. Cx plus d whole to the power n. Therefore, yn equal to minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 a to the power n divided by ax plus b whole to the power n plus c to the power n divided by cx plus d whole to the power n. Cx plus d whole to the power n. The nth differentiation of is this. This is the answer of this. Let us take another example. You should remember this one. If y equal to ax plus log of ax plus b, then yn this is equal to a to the power n minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 into factorial n minus 1 divided by ax plus b whole to the power n. You should remember this. Now, let us take the example number 2. If y equal to, if y this is equal to, let us take example number 2. If y this is equal to sin ax cos bx, find yn. Find yn. Find yn. Y this is equal to sin ax cos bx, then find yn. See, y this is equal to sin ax cos bx. Therefore, therefore y can be written as half into 2 times of sin ax into cos bx. You may write in this way. You may write this. Now, 2 times of sin a cos b, this is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. In the class 11, you got the trigonometrical formula. Twice sin a cos b, this is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. If we apply this formula here, what we will get? Twice sin a cos b means sin a plus b, sin ax plus bx, this means a plus bx, plus sin a minus b, ax minus bx, a minus bx, small a minus bx. You may write like this. Y equal to this. Therefore, yn this is equal to. Before writing yn, I am going to remind you. Y equal to sin ax plus b. If y this is equal to sin ax plus b, then yn this is equal to a to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus ax plus b. In the last class we derived this one, a to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus ax plus b. Here the coefficient of x is a here. Here coefficient of x is a plus b. Ax plus b, here for b it is 0. Therefore, if you apply this formula, then you will get half this is constant, a plus b whole to the power n sin of n times of pi by 2 plus ax plus b means a plus bx. A plus bx. For this, you will get this. And for this, sin a minus bx, the nth differentiation will be a minus b whole to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus a minus bx. A minus bx. Am I right? You see, half into a plus b whole to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus a plus bx plus a minus b whole to the power n sin this. The nth differentiation can be found. This is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Right? Now, number 3. I am taking another example. If y equal to sine cube x, find yn. If y equal to sine cube x, then find yn. In the class 11, you got this formula of trigonometrical formula, sine thrice x. This is equal to thrice sine x minus 4 sine cube x. This means sine cube x will be equal to 1 by 4 thrice sine x minus sine thrice x. Sine thrice x minus sine thrice x. You will get this. Now y equal to sine cube x. This means y can be written as 1 by 4 thrice sine x minus sine thrice x. Thrice sine x minus sine thrice x. Sine thrice x minus thrice sine x minus sine thrice x. Therefore, yn, this is equal to 1 by 4. Here it is 3. Here ax plus b. You see b equal to 0, this is equal to 1. 1 to the power n, it will be 1 sine of n times of pi by 2 plus x. Simply n times of pi by 2 plus x. Minus, here a equal to 3. 3 to the power n. It will be 3 to the power n. Sine of n times of pi by 2 plus thrice x. Sine of n times of pi by 2 plus thrice x. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. Suppose, perhaps you understand this. Just simple, very simple. If y equal to sine ax plus b, yn, the nth differentiation will be equal to a to the power n sine n times of pi by 2 plus ax plus b. Just remember this. Now example number 4. This is number 4. Suppose if y this is equal to cos to the power 4x, find yn. If y equal to cos to the power 4, find yn. Now y this is equal to cos to the power 4x, this is equal to cos square x whole square. We may write it as cos square x whole square. This is equal to 1 plus cos twice x divided by 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 by 4 1 plus cos twice x whole square. This is equal to 1 by 4 1 plus twice cos twice x plus cos square twice x. Cos square twice x. This is equal to 1 by 4 1 plus twice cos twice x plus 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. The formula for I am using this formula, twice cos square x. This is equal to 1 plus cos twice x. This formula has been applied for 2 times. Number 1, cos square x. This is equal to 1 plus cos twice x divided by 2. I have applied this formula here. Here. Again, cos square twice x will be equal to 1 plus cos 2 times of twice x, means cos of 4x divided by 2. This one. This means y equal to 1 by 4. It will be 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Plus 2 times of cos twice x. Plus 1 by 2 cos 4x. 1 by 2 cos 4x. This means y this is equal to 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 cos twice x plus 1 by 8 cos 4x. Cos 4x. If you differentiate it one time, simply one, why 1? 3 by 8 will be equal to 0. Therefore, y1 for 3 by 8, this term will vanish. The nth differentiation of 3 by 8 will be equal to obviously 0. Therefore, yn, this is equal to, for this term we will get 0 plus 1 by 2 cos twice x, cos twice x. Two to the power n cos of n times of pi by 2 plus twice x. 2 to the power n cos of n times of pi by 2 plus twice x plus 1 by 8. 4 to the power n cos n times of pi by 2 plus 4x. 4x. This means yn, this is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1 cos of n times of pi by 2 plus twice x plus, it will be 4 to the power n means 2 square whole to the power n, 2 to the power twice n. For 8, you may write 2 cube. 2 to the power twice n divided by 2 cube. 2 to the power twice n minus 3 cos of n times of pi by 2 plus 4x. Cos of n times of pi by 2 plus 4x. 2 to the power n minus 1 cos of n times of pi by 2 plus twice x plus 2 to the power twice n minus 3 cos of n times of pi by 2 plus 4x. This is the answer for this question. Let us take another example. Suppose this is example number 5. If y equal to cos x, cos twice x, cos thrice x, find yn. Find yn. If y equal to this, now y this is equal to cos x, cos twice x, cos thrice x. This can be written as half of cos x, 2 times of cos twice x, cos thrice x. You may write it like this: 2 times of cos twice x, cos thrice x. Now, cos of 2 times of cos A cos B, this is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Therefore, y equal to half of cos x. Here, 2 times of, suppose this is A, cos thrice x is cos A, cos twice x is cos B. 2 times of cos A cos B, cos A plus B means cos 5x, cos 5x plus cos, it will be x, plus cos, it will be x. This means y this is equal to half of cos x cos 5x plus cos square x plus cos square x. This is equal to 1 by 4 times of 2 cos x cos 5x plus 2 times of cos square x. You may write 1 by 4 times of 2 times of cos x cos 5x. This means y this is equal to 1 by 4 2 times of cos A cos B. Same formula. cos of a plus b, suppose cos of 5x plus x, I am writing like this, plus cos of 5x minus x. For twice cos square x, 1 plus cos twice x, or cos twice x plus 1. You may write like this. Twice cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos twice x. This means why this is equal to cos 6x plus cos 4x plus cos 2x plus 1. Now, ym will be equal to 1 by 4. What will be the 6 to the power m cos m times of pi by 2 plus 6x, m times of pi by 2 plus 6x plus 4 to the power m cos of m times of pi by 2 plus 4x plus 2 to the power m cos of m times of pi by 2 plus twice x. And the last term will be equal to 0. Last term will be equal to 0. Why and this is equal to 0? Why and this is equal to? It is very easy. Fine. Suppose this is example number 6. If y equal to sin square x if y equal to sin square x sin twice x, find yn. If y equal to sin square x sin twice x, find yn. If y equal to sin square x sin twice x. Now why this is equal to sin square x sin twice x. This means why this is equal to 1 minus cos twice x divided by 2 sin twice x. Sin twice x. Sin square x sin twice x. 1 minus cos twice x. You should always remember this. Twice sin square x. 1 plus cos twice x is equal to twice cos square x. Frequently used formula. 1 minus cos twice x divided by 2, this is equal to sin square x. This means 1 by 2, 1 minus cos twice x sin twice x. 1 minus cos twice x sin twice x. This means why this is equal to 1 by 2 sin twice x minus sin twice x cos twice x. Sin twice x cos twice x. This is equal to 1 by 4 2 times of sin twice x minus 2 times of sin twice x cos twice x. Sin twice x cos. This means why this is equal to 1 by 4 2 times of sin twice x minus sin 4x minus sin 4x. Or you may write like this, 1 by 2 sin twice x minus 1 by 4 sin 4x. Sin 4x. Therefore, yn. This is equal to 1 by 2, 2 to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus twice x plus minus 1 by 4 into 4 to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus 4x. Plus 4x. or yn this is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1 sine of n times of pi by 2 plus twice x minus 4 to the power n minus 1. 4 to the power n minus 1 sine of n times of pi by 2 plus 4x plus 4x. This will be the yn this is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1 sine n times of pi by 2 plus twice x minus 4 to the power n minus 1 sine n times of pi by 2 plus 4x. Perhaps you understand this one. Perhaps you understand this. Suppose number 7. Suppose number 7. Number 7. If y this is equal to cos square x, suppose cos square x sin cube x. Suppose y equal to cos square x sin cube x. Find yn. Find yn. Cos square x sin cube x. Now y this is equal to cos square x sin cube x. This means y this is equal to 1 plus cos twice x divided by 2. For cos square x you may write this, you may write 1 plus cos twice x divided by 2. Now see sin thrice x this is equal to thrice sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Therefore 4 sin cube x equal to sin thrice sin x. Therefore it will be 1 by 4 thrice sin x minus sin thrice x. It will be this. Or y this is equal to 1 by 8 1 plus cos twice x thrice sin x minus sin thrice x minus sin thrice x. This means y this is equal to 1 by 8 1 by 8 thrice sin x minus sin thrice x thrice sin x minus sin thrice x plus thrice cos twice x sin x minus sin thrice x into cos twice x sin thrice x into cos twice x. For these two terms, the nth differentiation can be easily found, can be easily calculated. Now 3 cos twice x sin x sin thrice x cos twice x. This means y equal to 1 by 8 thrice sin x minus sin thrice x plus 3 by 2. Write it as 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. If you put 3 by 2, then this term will be 2 times of cos twice x sin x. 2 times of cos a sin b. This is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b minus sin a minus b. 3 by 2. 2 times of cos twice x sin a plus b sin twice x plus x twice x plus x minus sin twice x minus x twice x minus x. For this term you may write 1 by 2 times of sin thrice x sin twice x. I am writing just I should write minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. 2 times of sin A into cos B. Sin A plus B. Thrice x plus twice x. Sin thrice x plus twice x. It will be plus. Sin thrice x minus twice x. These two terms. 3 by 2 sin twice x plus. Yes. Now, this means, perhaps you understand this. Thus, I have used the formula of class 11. From trigonometric formula. This implies why this is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 16, you write it as 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Why this is equal to 1 by 16? It will be 6 sin x minus twice sin thrice x minus twice sin thrice x plus thrice sin thrice x plus thrice sin thrice x minus thrice sin x minus sin 5x minus sin x minus sin 5x minus sin x. It will be this. This means why this is equal to 1 by 16. You see, 6 sin x minus thrice sin x minus sin x. It will be 2 times of sin x. 2 times of sin x. From these two terms, you will get sin thrice x minus sin 5x minus sin 5x minus sin 5x. Therefore, yn. I am writing here yn. This is equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16. 2 times of sin n times of pi by 2 plus x plus 3 to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus thrice x minus 5 to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus 5x. This is the required nth derivatives. This is the required nth differentiation. Nth differentiation. Let us take an paragraph. This is example number A. If y this is equal to sin Rx plus cos Rx, then show that yn this is equal to r to the power n 1 plus minus 1 whole to the power n sin twice Rx whole to the power half. If y equal to sin Rx plus cos Rx, then show that yn equal to r to the power n into 1 plus minus 1 whole to the power n sin twice Rx. Solution of this, y this is equal to sin Rx plus cos Rx. This is given. Therefore, yn this is equal to r to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus Rx. For this, the nth differentiation is cos r to the power n cos n times of pi by 2 plus Rx. nth differentiation of this is this, nth differentiation of cos Rx is this. This is equal to r to the power n sin n times of pi by 2 plus Rx plus cos n times of pi by 2 plus Rx plus Rx. I want to square it. If you square it, you will have to put it whole to the power half. Then it is of the a plus b whole square. Just explain it in the form a plus b whole square. Sin square n times of pi by 2 plus Rx plus cos square n times of pi by 2 plus Rx plus 2 times of sin n times of pi by 2 plus Rx into cos of n times of pi by 2 plus Rx whole to the power half. Whole to the power half. This means yn. This is equal to r to the power n cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is equal to 1. 1 plus twice sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 times of theta. Sin 2 times of n times of pi by 2 plus Rx whole to the power half. This is equal to r to the power n 1 plus sin n pi plus twice Rx whole to the power half. Whole to the power half. Now see, if n is equal to 1 means first order differentiation, then it will be sin pi plus twice Rx. What is sin pi plus twice Rx? Minus sin twice Rx. Minus twice sin Rx. Put n is equal to 1. Then sin pi plus twice Rx. This is sin pi plus twice Rx. This is equal to minus sin twice Rx. This is equal to minus 1 whole to the power 1 sin twice Rx. If it is 2, suppose this is 2, sin twice pi plus twice Rx. This is equal to, this is plus, this is plus. Sin twice Rx, it can be written as minus 1 whole square. This is equal to minus 1 whole square sin twice Rx. If it is 3 sin thrice pi plus twice Rx, again it will be minus sin twice Rx. This is equal to minus 1 whole cube sin twice Rx. Minus 1 whole cube sin twice Rx. Suppose it is 4 sin 4 pi plus twice Rx. This is equal to plus twice Rx. I will get this. This is equal to plus. Therefore, it will be equal to r to the power n 1 plus minus 1 whole to the power n sin twice Rx whole to the power half. Sin twice Rx whole to the power half. It is n, therefore it will be minus 1 whole to the power n. We may write here since, we may write here since sin n pi plus theta, this is equal to minus 1 whole to the power n sin theta. Simply sin n plus n pi plus theta. This is equal to minus 1 whole to the power n sin theta. Therefore, yn this is equal to this. This is equal to. I would like to finish the class here. Thanks for attending the class.